Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a last-minute clown makeup tutorial. Okay, so the goal for this is that we're doing this in 10 minutes or less. So I'm going to get a bunch of Q-tips here, and I'm going to try to mainly use those, not really any brushes. And we're going to be using like a grease paint. This is the Athena palette. I'm trying to think of what is the easiest thing that we can do. I'm going to try to put a count on the screen here when I do this, when I start. So I'm going to be using the colors purple and black. We're just gonna see how it goes. So let me just get my Q-tips at the ready here. And I'm not gonna add lashes. I might add mascara. I don't know. I might have to like pause, but maybe I should get it out. Wait. Okay, so just in case I change my mind. So we have Q-tips, we have the grease paint, and then I'm gonna have my mascara at the ready. Maybe I'll even curl my eyelashes. Let's see. I have my liner, and I have a little detail brush, just in case I decide with the mouth. We'll see. Okay. This is last minute easy. I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. We're just gonna start. So I'm gonna put the timer here, hopefully, on the screen. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to take my word for it in editing. At the ready. And I'm just gonna start now. So I'm gonna do purple, like I said. My purple's a little sad, so we're just gonna see what happens. I'm thinking we do. Oh, that's sad. I'm just gonna draw down like this. And we're just gonna see how it goes. I don't I don't want to try to talk through it because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to do both right now for some reason. I would love a point more, but that's okay. We'll go straight down and back up. We're gonna have a messy clown look though, that's for sure. But generally this is like absolutely last minute what you can do in like hopefully 5 to 10 minutes, I'd say. Nothing too particular. That looks bad. Okay. That looks a little bad, actually. I thought I had makeup wipes here. If they don't. Oh yeah, I did. There it is. I was gonna say, I thought I had one more. I also have no foundation on, if I didn't say that before. I'm about 2 minutes in, I think, if I had to guess. You know, that doesn't look that much better, but we're just gonna keep it. Why I feel like that's lower than this one. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna do this one. I feel like my Q-tips are just really doing me dirty at the same time. So that's also not helping this whole, like, challenge. I'm a little stressed because I think this is not what I had pictured in my mind. So if I could stop throwing the Q-tips on the floor, I think I'm gonna do my mouth. Technically, they're not supposed to be on your mouth, so don't do as I say, not as I do, because I don't think this is supposed to go on your mouth, so maybe don't. But again, Q-tips not helping. We're gonna go a little extra because I just really messed that one up. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go with black now and hopefully save it. I'm gonna take my liner, I think. And really cross my fingers on this. That's not even. Maybe it is. Can we pretend? I think we're gonna pretend it's even. Okay. So, I hate doing this. I'm gonna outline these with eyeliner. I have a hatred for eyeliner with makeup for some reason. I cannot explain it. I hate removing it so much. This seems like the easiest option. I know I just messed that up. I'll fix that. That looks bad. Okay. Next one. So basically this is like a makeup challenge now? Oh no. I don't like that at all, but we'll see how that goes. No. I think we're gonna leave that. I'm gonna go back to the purple. And I'm gonna do a purple dot on my nose. Because I'm going to absolutely dread tracing this with the eyeliner. Could be a lot worse. Like the mouth. I don't know what this is. I'm definitely like, oh, it's not 10 minutes yet. Okay. I'll leave that for a second. We're gonna go and do the dots really quick. And fix this. Okay. Also, the eyes are bothering me, I think. I want to draw a line, but I don't know. Like, I want to go like this. Does that look bad? I think my eyelid's kind of messing that up. I think it's too far away. Hold on. Oh my god, my computer monitor just went off. That looks better. Oh my god, wait. Oh, I don't know what just happened. That looks bad, but we're gonna pretend it doesn't look bad. It looks a little better, right? Something's wrong with this one for sure. And then I'm gonna take another Q-tip and we're gonna take the black right here. I think I'm at 8 or 9 minutes. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna start blending it in, like so. And then, oh, don't need to do that. Fix that really quick. Well, I'm gonna stop recording soon, I think. If there's a jump, that's because the thing stopped recording. I just gotta outline the circles really quick. Maybe not, actually. Hold on, I'm gonna show you the— Never mind, I didn't get to show you, but there's my dog. I was just trying to prove that I didn't cheat. Okay. I'm really messing this last part up. Stress is real. This feels like the 3-minute makeup challenge on TikTok. I feel like it's not drawing. What even is that? I think I'm just gonna curl my lashes quick. Maybe not, actually, because I can't get it in there right without messing this up. So I'm just gonna put mascara on. I don't know why I'm doing that when I could do this. Well, this is at least gotta be like 15 minutes or less, I think. Okay. I can't help myself, so we're gonna take some black paint really quick while I'm already past the time I thought I'd be at. And we're just gonna really messily do the eyebrows. That might not look that great, but... I think that's my clown look. My mouth is a little crooked looking, but... This is at time. Or maybe a second ago, before. So this is literally a last-minute clown makeup look. It should take you about 15 minutes, I think it was, roughly. Obviously, you don't have the contacts to start, but I had them in already today, so... I know it's not perfect, but it's not meant to be. I quite literally did a makeup look like this. I went to work and I realized, like, oh, yeah, I don't have a makeup look or anything for Halloween this year. So I was in the car, like well, not when I got to work, I lied. So it was like the night before, or the day before, whatever. And I didn't know what to do, and I was like, clown makeup. That's what I'm gonna do for work, because I work the counter. And we dressed up for Halloween, so I was in the car, and I was like a few minutes late going in, because I was throwing on clown makeup that was very similar to this, actually, I think. If I can find it, I'll pop it on the screen. But yeah, sorry, this is not like your average tutorial today. I thought we'd do a makeup challenge, apparently. But yeah, like I said, all I used were the Q-tips, the grease paint, which you can technically get grease paint at Walmart probably, so you don't need like to go out and buy the Athena palette if you don't want to. You can always get a more affordable option. Obviously, you'll probably have more time than me. Snazaroo also has paints. There's black here, but you can use eyeliner. I don't like using eyeliner. I don't know why, but I think they're $8 to $10, maybe a little more. I don't know. They're on Amazon. You would really just need like 2 of them if you wanted, or like you can get a cheap eyeliner and then use paint. Again, like I said, I don't know if this is technically supposed to go in your mouth, but I'm not sure. I know people recommend this one on TikTok Shop if you really want to buy it. I don't use TikTok Shop, to be honest, but it's probably on Amazon or something. So wherever you purchase things, look, I guess. But most affordable if you really don't want to get a ton of makeup is probably like the Halloween makeup that Walmart puts out or something, or maybe Spirit Halloween has like a small palette thing. I'm not sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content from me this spooky season. Let me know if you like more of these like last minute kind of looks, or do you want me to do more challenges? Like I could do more time challenges. I get a little stressed, but I could do them. If that's what you want to see, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.